My sisters were actually going to get rid of this end table, and I decided that I was going to salvage it and give it a new lease on life. So here we go. I have no idea why this bottom drawer has such a space there. Like, why is that there? I tried to lift it up. I tried. Like, who makes stuff like that? And then I even looked at the bottom to see if this was too low and if it could go higher. And like, I have no idea what was done, how that was done to me. So, I cannot fix this up and have that space there. That's going to bother me big time. So I asked my sister if she had any large tongue depressors or popsicle sticks. I think she, so I need a few. I really think she thought if I wanted a wax or something, she wanted all of this. Oh, bless her. Bless. I mean, awesome. I do have a wax machine. Oh, she, what? 1, 2, 3. I guess she thinks I'm going to make my own dresser. Wow. Ooh, and some wax strips. Oh, I can use that. Yes. Anyway, I don't need all of these. I'm going to try to patch here with one of these so it hangs down just a tad. Other than that, I don't know what else to do to fix it. I'll just have to see how that goes. Okay. I'll clean it up first. Great, gotta find out. Okay, this is the brown nightstand that was given to me by my sister. The sisters, I guess. They were gonna throw it out, or they didn't have space for it. I can't remember which one, but I think they're just gonna throw it out. And I've had it for about maybe at least 3 weeks, trying to decide what I want to do with it, because from the other video, you might remember that I have the other nightstand that I painted white and I have black letters and numbers all over it. So I want this one to go on the other side of the bed. So I kind of wanted to like be in the same thing. I got my sister's. So she had like some more satin on there. I had a little bit of leftover semi-gloss, so I sprayed the rest of that on there first. And I think I have a little bit, another one of these, I think satin, or half can of these. I'm not sure how much it's going to take. So let me just start spraying it. I should probably have on a mask. I can't even see. I don't even see because I can't see what I'm doing because of the bright sun. There's some damage, water damage over here. I can see the like little lines of where that occurred. Okay. Hi, buddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi. Where are you? Hi, Dobby. Oh, Lord, don't touch that. Don't be, oh, Lord of mercy. Don't pee on it. Your hair? I gotta do the drawers now, but that's coat number 1 and 3/4. I only have acrylic paint inside that I have bought, and I have a few of those left. So I don't really mind. I'll just do what I can do and see what happens. I'm gonna use this to cover a space between the drawer and the top up here. So I'm gonna spray paint these white too before I forget. Oh, I'm starting my tape job now. I had something else planned and then I changed my mind and then I wasn't sure what I want to do. So I'm just trying to tape it off and then I'll make up my mind after I see how that looks. So in order to get equal spacing in between here, another piece of tape. in between, kind of like, no, not like that, but anyway, like close to it, but not touching. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this again because I cannot do this with one hand. Like that. And then I put the piece of tape that I'm gonna keep there, another piece on the other side. So then when that one is done, I take this guy off, and that's what I've done in here. So at least I have kind of similar widths. They don't have to be perfect, but at least they're not these gigantic. All this stuff that's white now, if I keep these same widths, they will all be black when I'm done. When I pull these off, then it will be black with white stripes. I'm not sure if that's what I want, but I'll keep taping, and I might rip it all off and put it in the garbage, or no, save the tape for later, or not. I'm not sure. I don't like to wait until it's completely dry, because that's when things start to go wrong. So now all I just have to hope that the drawers come out just as good. This is the best part ever. I love peeling off tape. Oh, that's looking good too, I think. So not bad, just some white paint peeled off here, which I'm not surprised because it's always in the middle that I'm always worried about. And this tape has been on this for the last 3 days while I've been awaiting more painter's tape. I just got to fix those few little boo-boos that happened, and I think it's cute. And I'm very happy with it. It was going to go in the garbage, so I'm glad I salvaged it. And the top that had all that water damage, it's kind of camouflaged a bit here. Like from the side, you can see the little speed bumps, but. So I'm outlining the drawers in black and painting a couple of stripes. So it's going to take a couple of coats and a steady hand, or not so steady hand. And then I think I need to bring some black somewhere along here to tie it all in. I'm not sure yet. So I'm gonna do some stripes. And then I'm thinking about putting a black divider stripe here. Maybe doing some X's at the bottom. And maybe some horizontal around the baseboard. So this is how it's ended up looking on the left side after my tape job. So now I just have to go over it with black. And if I feel like I can actually, it'll be faster if I use the leftover spray paint tape. So if I like this and I think it's pretty cool, then I'll go ahead and do the other side, but I'm not gonna go ahead and tape it all off and then I'm like, it looks okay, but less was more. If I thought less was more, I would have just left it how it was after the first set of stripes, but I didn't. So I'm going to try to figure out how to protect the other edges from the spray paint. Oh, so there we go. And the sun is out now, for sure. So that's looking good. Let's see, after the first coat, I still see some spots that are looking like they might definitely need some second coat. But I will be patient and let it dry before I do that. Okay. So other than a little bit of touching up of the white, she's just about finished. I think she looks very good. I'm quite pleased. So there's still some white spots where I wasn't as careful as I should have been, but that's okay. I'll clean this up with some white paint, and then I have to figure out what I'm going to do for the attachments. Maybe I'll just put it back with gold or something and be done with it. But there she is. Painting the black border around the drawer actually helps to camouflage the space that we had there in the beginning.